Greetings, Spartans and civilians alike. Today I want to discuss a core principle that guides every action I take: honor and integrity. In the midst of conflict, it's easy to lose sight of what truly matters. But no matter the circumstances, it's essential to uphold a standard of honor and integrity. It's about doing what's right, no matter the cost. Throughout my journey, I've encountered countless challenges where the easy path may have seemed tempting. Yet I've always chosen the path of honor, even when it meant facing insurmountable odds. Honor is not just about following orders blindly. It's about understanding the greater good and making decisions that uphold the values we hold dear. It's about being a beacon of light in the darkness, inspiring others to follow suit. Integrity goes hand in hand with honor. It's about staying true to oneself and one's convictions, even in the face of temptation or adversity. It's about being honest, reliable, and trustworthy no matter the circumstances. Remember, Spartans, our actions define us. In times of uncertainty and turmoil, let honor and integrity be your guiding stars. Stand tall, stay true, and always do what's right no matter the cost. This is Master Chief signing off. Stay strong, and may honor and integrity guide your path.